Hey! Today I will show you how to get Discord Active Developer Badge. But first we need to do an important step. Go to Discord Settings. Then go to Privacy and Safety. Turn on Use Data to improve Discord. This is an important step. Now let's begin. You will find all the links in the GitHub repository. Link in description. Go to Discord Developers website. Click on New Application. Type any name you want. Then click on Create. Now go to Bot tab. Click on Add Bot. Now click on Reset Token button. Go to GitHub page and copy the invite link and paste it in New tab. After pasting, go to General tab and copy Application Identification. And paste it here in the link. Now press Enter. Select any server to which you want to add the bot. Click on Continue. Now click on Authorize. Now go to the GitHub repository and click on Run on Replit. Make sure to create a Replit account. Now click the Run button. Now go to the Bot tab and copy the token. Now paste the token here. And press Enter. Now go to the server to which you added the bot. And use the /ping command in chat. If you get response like this, then you have successfully done it. Now you just need to wait 24 hours. If you don't see your server in Support Server, then make sure that you have enabled Community. Go to Server Settings and click on Enable Community. Then click on Get Started and do all the steps. After this, we'll be able to see the server. Now select any channel you want. Click on Claim. As you can see, I got the badge. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to leave a sub and like. It will be appreciated.